So good day, sir. This is my functional game menu that I've created. So the task is include the background music, implement a button toggle on a music or on and off. So ibig sabihin pag once na i-click na to ang music button is mag on and off, and then we um, once if nag-click ta sa katong mag-start ang game or mag-exit, so katong mga menu buttons is na siya yung mga sound effect or effect whenever na i-click na to ang mga kuan. So we go sa to ang kuan. So diri nagbuhat ko og canvas, which is sulod ani is katong atong mga buttons. We have kining mga buttons na kining new game options, exit and continue. And sulod sad is we have nga button sa ato ang on and off. Kining background, which is mo na itong sulod sa atong audio source. So katong background music. So pag diri na to makontrol if gusto na to i-on or off. And then we have the buttons for the effects. Pag magbuta once we click this menu buttons, and that's it. So we play. So bago dito magkuan no, nag-create kog script para sa katong on and off buttons, which is diri So inside atong script sa audio natay method diri is pag once na i-click tong kuan is to play music, and then we have for the music, which is the music that stop. So once we play